How to add green screen in KineMaster. Let me teach you how to do it in a simple way. First, open the project in KineMaster. Once you open it, import your video and photo you want to add the green screen into. Once you import it, you all you have to do is tap on layer. Okay, first, if you haven't downloaded green screen, you can download it from the YouTube or from any websites you prefer. Okay, now once you download it, tap on media here and select the green screen. You have just download it, and once it's added in your timeline, just adjust its duration by dragging its axis like this, and adjust it in your timeline as well like this. Once you adjust it, you can scroll down in your right hand menu like this, and you'll be seeing Chroma Key right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, enable it like this. As you can see, your green screen is added and it's super good like this. Adjust it like this and preview the video. And that's it. Adding green screen to your video in KineMaster is super easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the other videos. Thank you for watching.